Hello everyone. Welcome you all to SiTechz tutorial on Git and GitHub. In this tutorial you will learn how to work with branches in Git. Let us have the overview of the topic. As part of this tutorial, you will learn: what is branch? Why branches are important? The tools required to work with Git. How to create branches in Git. And then, how can be switched between the branches? Now let's move to what is branch in Git. In Git, a branch is an isolated part of software development. It means that branch is an independent part of main branch. In Git, main branch is the default branch, which is the one created at the time you create a repository. Now let us see why branches are important. In a software development team, different people works on different features. In such situation, branches are the best solution to work without affecting the main branch. And also branches support to work in parallel on different features or activities. For example, let's say A is the member of the project working on the feature F1, and B is working on the feature F2. In this case, both can create two different branches and they work in parallel. To work with Git operations on your system, it is recommended to use the tools such as Git and TortoiseGit. Both of their tools are open source and you can easily download and install them. Now, it's the time to create the branch in Git. Before we create a branch, first I will log into my GitHub account and let me show you my existing repository. In our repository we are already having two branches. Now we are going to create one more branch. To create a new branch, you need to navigate to your local repository folder, then right-click on the repository folder, select TortoiseGit, and then click on Create Branch. Let me show you the demonstration. At this point, we have successfully created a branch and now our repository is now having 3 branches. So, now it's the time to learn how to switch between the branches. Let me take you into how to switch between the branches in Git. If you want to work on a specific isolated feature of a project, it is highly recommended to create a new branch and switch into it. Git allows you to switch between the branches anytime. To switch between the branches, right-click on the repository folder, select TortoiseGit, and then click on Switch/Checkout. Now let me show you the demonstration. Now you are successfully switched into the branch SiTechz repo branch 020222021. This means, whatever the changes you make, which can be pushed into the branch SiTechz repo branch 020222021 instead pushing them to the master branch. To demonstrate this scenario, let me open the project and change the existing file and push them. At this moment, we have created and switched to a specific branch and pushed the changes into the remote branch. Now we are having 3 branches in our repository. At any point the developer can switch between the branches, do the changes on a specific branch, and push them to repository. Guys. With this, we are at the end of this tutorial. Thanks for watching.